Good morning class. Today we will try to understand about the types of mergers. In the previous class we learnt about the what is basically merger, what is consolidation, what is absorption, what is acquisition. All those concepts we learnt in the previous class. We will move further to understand types of mergers. There are 6 different types of mergers. Today we will cover the first kind of merger. Okay. The first merger is referred to as a conglomerate merger. What is this conglomerate merger? Conglomerate, you know the meaning of this? Two things that are absolutely totally opposite to each other, there is no relationship. That's called conglomerate. Merger between firms in totally unrelated businesses or totally not related to each other. Say for example, a textile manufacturing and chocolate has got nothing to do with textile business. They are totally different fields. A lipstick manufacturer, a cosmetic manufacturer into a masala business, cooking business. So that has got no relation at all. Such a kind of totally different business. When you want to do product diversification, you go with conglomerate merger. Right? Now this conglomerate merger can be of two types. There are two types of conglomerate mergers. Right. One is called as a pure merger. Pure, that is absolutely nothing in common. In a pure merger, nothing is common. In a mixed merger, yes, the products are not related to each other, but observing such a company or taking off that company will help you for product extension or market extension. Say for example, if you are a manufacturer of trucks and heavy automobiles, if you take care of the tire business, now you are entering the tire business, that means that tires are useful for you in your product also, na? Tire is a totally different business, but the tire is used in manufacturing your truck, na? So thereby it becomes mixed merger. That means lightly it is useful. Pure merger example I have given. Shoes company merges with a soft drink manufacturer company. That is pure, that has got nothing, no market extension. This product is not at all going to be an ingredient here, and this product is not at all going to be an ingredient here. When you talk about mixed merger, like Disney company merges with American Broadcasting Company. Obviously now whatever movies they make, broadcasting is a different business, movie making is a different business. Yes, because they are different, they are conglomerate, but it is deriving some benefit out of this acquisition for this company. This company is going to be benefited because this company, all the movies that they make, all the ads that they make can be broadcasted through this company. Right? So it is extension of the product. Right? Understood? Thank you and have a fantastic day.